Hello friends, this is Alex of Basement Finish Pros. Today I want to address the most asked question I get when talking to homeowners that are interested in finishing their basement. How much will it cost to finish my basement? While this is a simple question, the answer is more complex because no two basements are the same and not every basement remodeling company provides the same finish quality. When asked this question over the phone, I would usually ask the homeowner to tell me more about their unfinished basement. Are there any water leaks that need to be taken care of? Is it a walkout basement or does it have a bulkhead door or none of those? And how will you want to use the basement space when finished? Do they want a man cave, a home cinema? Do they want bedroom, a bathroom, finished laundry, etc., etc.? All these variables will dictate what materials to use and the overall cost of the finished basement. For example, if you want to have a man cave in the basement, then it's a bad idea to use carpet on the floors. Most likely you will have friends stopping by to watch the Super Bowl, and we all have that one friend that constantly drops barbecue chicken on the floor. And while the chicken piece is still edible, your carpet will be ruined. But if you had a proper laminated waterproof vinyl flooring, you could easily wipe it off or let the dog lick the barbecue sauce off your new floor. While barbecue chicken can ruin your carpet and maybe give your dog indigestion, there's a bigger factor we need to consider when choosing the right material to finish a basement. Mold, the boogeyman of all basements. It breeds in damp areas and loves organic materials. When using the wrong framing materials, mold over time can easily turn a nice, comfortable finished basement into a stinky, hazardous dungeon. That's why at Basement Finish Pros, we use galvanized metal studs when framing up the walls. Unlike wood framing, moisture and humidity do not affect galvanized metal studs, so they do not warp or rot and can remain straight and sturdy for a long time. Galvanized metal studs will still provide enough support for you to be able to mount a TV or shelves on the wall. To finish the walls, we use Molotov drywall with minimum R19 insulation. We also provide draft control and fire blocking on all perimeter walls to make sure your finished basement will stay warm in winter and cool in summer. While going with the cheaper basement quote might look like a good idea in the beginning, you could end up paying double in the long run. After all, aren't you finishing your basement with the intention to enjoy it for a very long time? We get at least a couple emails every year from homeowners calling us to come over and fix things because the contractor they hired botched the job. Check out this recent email. It's from Springfield, Massachusetts, and hear what it says. You were out here last year or the year before and did a cost on my basement. Pretty much we gave them an estimate. The cost was too high, we got someone else and they botched the job. I would need a price on what has to be done and redone. So what's a good ballpark cost to finish a basement? On average, to properly finish a basement will cost around $50 per square foot. Some basements can cost as low as $38 per square foot and some as high as $95 per square foot. The cost will vary depending on the amount of work and materials choice. But don't worry, there are numerous ways to save money on finishing your basement while not compromising the labor and material quality. To find out how you can save money and still have your basement professionally finished, you can call us today to schedule an in-home consultation with me or one of our basement professionals. When you schedule your in-home consultation, we will show you the difference between lifetime warranty flooring and budget flooring. We'll show you pictures of past project, design options, floor plan options for your basement, cost-saving options, and much more. The in-home consultation on average takes 45 minutes. The floor plans and estimates will be emailed to you within 2 to 3 business days. We don't push you to make the decision or commit on the spot because finishing your basement should be your carefully analyzed decision. Call or email us today. We will be glad to help you. Thank you.